Governor Katie Hobbs made history today with her first appointment to the Arizona Supreme Court.
12 News journalist Bram Resnick says Hobbs' selection of Judge Maria Elena Cruz was based on her strong credentials and her deep Yuma roots. Bram?
Yeah, Mark, Appeals Court Judge Maria Elena Cruz will be the first Latina and first African-American justice in Arizona's 113-year-old history. She shared her story with reporters today and made the case for overdue diversity on the court.
Yuma made me. From the age of 14.
Maria Elena Cruz says she never set her sights on Arizona's highest court.
My goal was to serve my community, an area that is known as a legal desert, where it's very difficult to get an attorney.
The lesson was drilled into her when her dad struggled to find a lawyer after a car accident.
I know this is strange for people in Maricopa County, where you can't take two steps without running into a personal injury lawyer, but...
In elevating Cruz to the state Supreme Court, Governor Katie Hobbs praised her deep connection to Arizonans' daily lives.
I prioritize an appointee who is not only eminently qualified, but also someone who reflects our state and who's committed to making our legal system work for everyday people.
Cruz will be the first Latina and first African-American justice sitting on the high court in Arizona's 113-year history.
For many, this day is long overdue.
Cruz parried a reporter's question about the need for diversity on the bench.
Why should the courts not reflect the population? Why should a state that is so diverse have a Supreme Court that looks like one racial aspect of our state?
Cruz was appointed to the state appeals court 8 years ago by Republican Governor Doug Ducey. She's the first Democratic appointee to the 7-member Supreme Court since Democratic Governor Janet Napolitano left office 16 years ago. An appellate judge Maria Elena Cruz will succeed retired Justice Robert Brutinel on the state Supreme Court. She'll be sworn in on Monday. Bram Resnick, 12 News.
All right.